Hey, phones for fun. Bad Magic here. I'm just gonna make a video to a follow up of my unstuck keyboard. Um, Here's the keyboard that I did last night. I got these keys unstuck, but if that still doesn't help, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. You just take a bench grinder like this one, and you just turn it on, and you just sorry, it's gonna get loud, but what I wanted to say is you just take a bench grinder like this, and you just Alright, now that's done. If what I showed you guys last night doesn't work, you just take a bench grinder like that, and you just shave the key off that's stuck, and it'll fix it. No problem at all. It's gonna get loud, but I'm gonna show you. Okay? You hear me? You hear me? It's gonna get loud, but I'm gonna show you. Look, just say, see the escape key stuck. Okay? I'm just gonna take the bench grinder and I'm gonna shave it off, and I'll unstick it. So not only do you need to use a vise or a hammer, but you can use a bench grinder too, and I'm gonna show you how that works right now. Excuse the noise because it's gonna get loud. So there you go. See? Escape key fixed. All because of a bench grinder. Everybody needs to get one of these for their shop, or their basement, or their house. Bench grinders fix everything. That's proof right there. No more problem with the escape key. Ha! And honestly, you know what else? Like I showed you last night, this vise right here, the best thing you can do when you have a bad keyboard enough said.